Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Pro 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Surface Pro 5 won't turn on, it can be frustrating and concerning. This issue can arise due to various factors, including a faulty battery or a malfunctioning CPU. If left unattended, it may lead to further damage, making repairs more complex and costly. To ensure a successful repair, you'll need a few tools: a Torx screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement CPU if that is found to be the issue. First, ensure you're working on a flat, static-free surface. Begin by inserting the plastic opening tool into the gap between the screen and the body of the device. Carefully pry open the case, taking care not to apply too much force or damage the screen. Once the device is open, inspect the internal components to locate the CPU. It's usually situated beneath a heat sink, so gently remove any screws securing it in place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Use your tweezers to disconnect any cables attached to the CPU. Once everything is disconnected, carefully lift the CPU out of its socket. Replace it with a new CPU, ensuring it is properly seated. Reconnect all cables and replace the heat sink, securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Now, it's time to close the device. Align the two halves of the case and press them together until they click into place. To verify that your Surface Pro 5 is functioning correctly, power it on and observe for any signs of life. If it turns on successfully, congratulations on your repair. To prevent this issue from happening again, ensure you regularly update your device's software and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.